Now check now domain is activated, so automatically also email come from the Cloudflare. So domain is activated. So now go to here, the domain dashboard, and check. Great news, your domain is protected by Cloudflare. So completely done. So let's full video how I have added this domain to Cloudflare. Add connect domain, put it here. PD. So there is no record, it will come. So continue with activation. Add record letter. Create it. A root and IP address put here. So IP address is my this. I am making it auto. So first click. So another www and putting it here. So both is done. So now domain is working fine. So save it. So I am adding this domain to my server. So this is my server in the first panel. So creating the next. So you create user new, database new, database no need to create, backend 8.3 enough, and now done. So create a step. So almost done. So come here and check it, is this work fine or not. Now need to wait 1-2 hours to it will update it. So I will end for you.